I'm with Patti Hughes, president of the Mid-American Exotic Bird Society. And today at the Franklin County Fairgrounds is the Bird Fair. And there's many kinds of different birds here for bird lovers. Patti, tell us a little bit about what this is, this annual event here.
Hi there. Yeah, we have about 20 vendors that's come from different states as well as Ohio. And they sell birds, and they also sell food and supplies, toys. We have birds like finches, canaries, cockatiels, all kind of birds that are considered exotic. So it's not like your backyard birds. These are birds that you can have in your house as pets, and they're very wonderful. We're having a great time out here. We're doing really well.
Okay. One of the vendors is Bernadette from Sugarcreek Bird Farm.
Hello.
Hi, Bernadette.
Hello.
And she has a bird here. Tell us who this is.
This is Mandy. She's a Moluccan cockatoo, and she's one of our store pets back at our retail store, and she's about 12 years old.
Okay. And what are some of the things you have here today that customers can...
We have a pretty large retail store, so we tried to bring just a little bit of everything. We brought some of our finches and canaries for sale today. We have toys, t-shirts, jewelry, play stands. So this is just a small portion of what we have back at our store.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.